Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shannon, also known as UK Curly Girl. I am a hair blogger and also an entrepreneur. I am the owner of the brand Oso Curly, which is an online store for curly hair accessories and tools. All the links to my websites are in the description box down below. Today's video, I want to follow on from my latest video, which is on Alibaba, and I wanted to mention Shopify. So in today's video, I'm going to talk to you about my pros using Shopify, a little bit about what it is for those of you that don't know what it is, and why I choose to use it for my website. So my website, osocurly.com, I'll put a screenshot here, is based on Shopify. So I use Shopify, and that is basically a platform where you can log on to it, you can sign up and pay monthly to host your store on there. So instead of having to pay a lot of money to get a web developer to make a website for you from scratch, you simply go to the Shopify website and they pretty much have really good templates that you can just pick one and edit it a little bit. So add your banner, change the colors, put in your header, add your products, and it all looks very nice and professional without having to pay hundreds or even thousands of pounds just to put a website together. So I started Shopify using the 14-day free trial. Whilst I had my website up and running with Squarespace, I thought, let me test out Shopify with this free trial and see how I like it, see how it's going to work, how it's going to fit for me, and if I like it, I will continue. If I don't, I will just stop and not have to pay anything. So that free trial you can actually get today, and it is in my description box down below. So I definitely recommend, don't just go ahead and pay for Shopify straight away. At least try it out for 14 days for free. Make sure you cancel before the payment time, and then if you like it, just continue. So they have 3 different plans. They have the basic plan, the Shopify plan, and then the advanced plus pro Shopify plan. I use the basic plan. So as you can see, a very successful business. I sell over 100 to 200 products per month via my website, and it is hosted on Shopify, and it's been doing that for the past year. And I definitely feel like when I moved from Squarespace to Shopify, my sales went up, everything went up, and I was able to really delve into my customers, find out where they're from, focus in on that kind of niche, and really just get to know how they're finding my website, what products they like, what they don't like as much, and then it can really help benefit you moving forward when you make decisions on your next products or what to improve on. So Shopify, very, very good for that. So I use the basic plan, but every single plan allows you to have a maximum amount of unlimited products. So with a lot of other websites, if you have the basic plan, you might only be able to upload 5 products to sell, but with Shopify they allow you to sell as many products as you want. The basic plan is only $29 a month, so in pounds it comes to £22 a month or something like that, which is the price of 1 sale. So even if you only make 1 sale a month in the beginning, at least you've covered your cost of the Shopify. But if you're making 20 sales a month, it's not really going to be costing you a lot. So I've stuck with the basic plan. I don't feel the need to move to the Shopify plan just yet. I'm all good with the basics still, and I'm selling over 100 products a month. The Shopify plan is $79 and the Pro plan is $299. So obviously if you are a huge store, Kylie Cosmetics, I know that they are hosted on Shopify. A lot of your big brands are actually hosted on Shopify, so I would assume that they're using the Pro version. So with Shopify, I really love the fact that you just have so many options in the back end of things. To customize your store, you are able to have a header that you can change, write announcements, say you have a sale, you can say free shipping is available when you spend £30 or over today only, and then you can just switch that off at any time. You have the option of doing slideshows, you have the option of review polls, you have the options of blog posts, of video, pictures, pretty much a lot of different things that you can do, email sign-ups, all of that is available in the Shopify theme customization. Now Shopify have a number of free themes. I again use the free theme, so I'm really not spending a lot on my website at the moment, guys. So my theme is free and I'm on the basic plan. So if you're not really feeling the themes that they have for free, they do have another website that you click on and you can actually browse through some paid themes. There are some really good ones on there. I would in the future pay for a better one just so it can look even more professional, especially on mobile as well. So all of their themes are compatible for desktop and mobile. So moving on to the shipping options. So there is a shipping option in your settings. In the settings space, you can go to the shipping and then it will allow you to add in different shipping rates for different countries. You can have a flat rate, you can have a rate depending on the weight of your products. It's all really based on what your store sells. I have flat rates for the UK, I have flat rates for Europe and other countries, and then I have flat rates for the USA because they do cost different rates. I'm currently with the Royal Mail. They're getting very expensive, so I do want to move to a different shipping company. But at the moment I'm with Royal Mail, so I go with their prices. And then I kind of match up to what I want my customers to pay for their shipping. Now, the also good thing with Shopify is it integrates with other apps. So it integrates with Facebook. Same with Instagram. If someone goes onto Instagram and they shop your Instagram store, it connects to Shopify. And it also connects to your shipping website. So for me, I am connected from Shopify to the Royal Mail click and drop website. So all of my orders, they go from Shopify, someone buys, they purchase, it goes to the Royal Mail website. So I log into the Royal Mail, I see all of my orders and they match up with all of the orders on the Shopify store. I then buy my shipping, print out the label, put the fulfillment code into Shopify, and Shopify automatically, without me having to do anything, sends an email to the customer to say your product has been fulfilled and it is on the way and here is your tracking code. Those automatic emails are also in your settings. You can go in there and edit it. You can say, like with me, I try and keep it very fun and curl hair based language. So I have like, hey curly. So I edited that at the beginning of the email just to make it a bit more personable, and I changed some of the colouring in the email too. But you can keep it completely normal. Shopify have really done it well. They even have a template for your terms and conditions, a template for your shipping terms, and a template for your returns. If you are watching this and you are a drop shipper, Shopify is going to be amazing for you. They have a lot of different apps. So let's just go straight into the app section of this video. Shopify has a whole app store. For me, my apps that I currently have are the Facebook app, which allows me to have a Facebook pixel. This can be so complicated to people that are new, but basically it allows me to follow my customers that are on my Facebook page and see when they go to the Shopify, so I can customize it when I create ads and all of that stuff. So yeah, I've got Facebook. I have a free shipping bar app, and that basically allows me to create a more customizable bar at the top. You already have a header option in your Shopify theme, but the app just allows you to customize it a bit more with different colors, and it also allows you to have like a countdown. So if for example, if I have free shipping over £40 and a customer has added a product to the basket which is £20, it will tell them you only have to spend £20 more to get free shipping. So stuff like that really helps, and it allows you to get more sales in the long run. I also have a pop-up app, so when someone is on my website, they will see a pop-up in the lower corner to say that someone has bought this product in Leeds, UK. So that's a really good pop-up app to use too. So let's move on to the product section of Shopify. As I said before, you have unlimited space to upload products. You simply go into the product section, add a product, type in your description, type in your product title, add some images or videos. You can even add in YouTube videos in the description so that by the side of your product you will have a video that they can watch. Maybe it's a demo, maybe it's a review. And also you can have different prices for the products and different colors or sizes. You also can have collections. So with me, I have a hair tools collection and a hair accessories collection. because I have my satin products and then I have like my brushes and my spray bottles. So they're two different collections, which is good because you can have like a collection page on your front page, so someone can click on the tools if they're interested in tools or the accessories, or they can just click shop all and it will have all of your products. So once your customer places an order, what I really love about Shopify is you can actually scroll down and see how they got to your website. A lot of the time it will say via Google search, or it will say direct to store, and that's when I'm guessing they've actually just typed in oso.shannon and got to your store. Or it even goes as into showing you whether they came from YouTube, whether they came from someone else's website, whether they came from a blog. Sometimes they might have come from Facebook or Instagram. So you can really gather that information. You can do like analytics for the month and see, okay, this amount of people came from Instagram, this amount of people came from YouTube. With me, I found that a lot of my customers come mainly from Instagram, YouTube, and from Google. So that can kind of tell you, okay, I need to focus more on Instagram, Google, and YouTube and really capitalize on them areas. And it will also tell you where your customer is based, so obviously their address. It will tell you where people are browsing from. It will tell you how many people have come to your website in a day, in a month, in a year. And what I love the most about Shopify is definitely the ka-ching. Every time an order comes through, you get that noise on your phone, and it's just a really exciting feeling. I've had Shopify for over a year, and every time I hear that ka-ching, it just really makes me feel nice and inside, and it's kind of like a prize. And you just feel like, wow, someone actually just went on my website and bought something. And when you have a sale and you keep hearing ka-ching, 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 it's like, okay, cool, like my post works. You can test it out. Maybe you have like a blogger post about your product one day, and then you just see like a whole load of sales come in within the same time that that blogger posts. So it's really good just to keep on top of things. So like I've tried to say in videos before, guys, I'm not a Shopify expert. I'm not an e-commerce expert. I'm pretty much like you guys watching this. I'm new to this. I've been using Shopify for a year. I've run my online business for about 4 years, but Shopify for a year. So everything you hear in this video isn't coming from an expert, so please don't judge me if I've said anything wrong. It's just my personal experience. So if you want to learn from someone that's more relatable to you, because I'm just like you guys, I'm just a normal girl. I came from nothing. I've had no experience in business. I have no one around me that has an online business. I've learnt most of my things from YouTube and reading books. So if I can do it, you guys can do it too. If you have any further questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. Again, try out the free 14-day trial that is in the description box below. Love you guys. Thank you so much for your feedback on my past video and for sharing your businesses. Again, share them down below and I will shout them out. The 3 businesses I'm going to shout out in today's video is number 1, Mary BBM, and that is again a Depop store. Next we have another hair store, and her store is Shop Afro Inheritance. I will put again screenshots at the side. And the last store is another hair product business, and that is called My Free Curls. I'm loving this, guys. Let's just keep up the momentum. Again, if you have any further questions, leave them in the comments down below. Make sure you share this video, subscribe, like, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.